Hello there everyone, let's get started with the next session of the day here at Small Heath, and we'll kick off with 172005 and 172333. So they work 2 kilo 50 in the 1205 West Midlands Railway service from Whitlock's End through to Kidderminster, departing on time. Passing with our first and only fast action of the session is 221136, passing 2 minutes late, working 1 Echo 36 from Reading to Newcastle for cross country. And arriving in to finish us up, we see 172102, working 2 Sierra 49, arriving in 1 minute late with the 1212 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Whitlock's End. And as that arrives in, that is a good session at Small Heath, all done.